So yeah, I wish I had the words right now. Unless somebody wants to help me with this song. Anybody want to help me with this song? I want to sing Dennis, Uncle Dennis' song, Coquet. Anybody know the words? Yeah. They come up, help me sing. Huh? Oh. Okay. Pull them up, Coquet. Shoot. Dennis replaced Gabby in the Sons of Hawaii. There's big shoes to fill, bro. And he was, correct me if I'm wrong, 18 maybe at the time? 19 max? And he replaced Gabby in the Sons of Hawaii. Those are big shoes to fill. But he filled them with songs. Yeah. 'Cause when he came into the band, he wasn't known as a super instrumentalist or anything like that, but he had the voice and he had the songs. And that's really all those beautiful songs that he wrote, you know, the Rev. Help me sing this, I don't know the word. Wow. No. See, I don't know. You don't know the word. Okay, so there's that one. There's, of course, okay, we got.
Get her a chair.
Oh, hang on. I know, no, you sit down, and I will stand in the back of you. Okay? Wait, I got that okay, there you go. So you stand, you sit over there. Right?
You never know.
Anybody like Dan Tula right there?
Karen.
Coquet. No coquet. Okay, we're doing short version then, and we get out of them fast. Yep. Upuai. He manao. Ikaveki. O coquet. Ikanani. O kaaina. O kanoe. O ai ai. I know you guys know this one. O kalala. He aina la. I kaua. Lili. O ai mea. Kule aloha. Nevermore to say goodbye. Eho imaiana kahiki ikala vela vela ike kai havana vana ipo ipu makuloa okalala he aina ikaua ili o ainea kule aloha never alone say goodbye. nevermore say goodbye. Ho'i mai ana. Okay, hindi ho'i mai ana.
Bele.
Meleao. Meleao. No ka beauty. Ikaw ka. Iu. Iko ke uai ke au. Ika noe.